Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, so you know what time it is. We're doing creamy Asiago chicken. Man, this one here is delicious. Trust me. Get in your kitchen, let's go. So the first thing I'm gonna do is season our chicken with our salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika, and I'm gonna give this a good mix. We're gonna push this aside, bring over an empty bowl. We're gonna take our flour, add it here to this bowl, and I'm just gonna sprinkle with just a little salt to taste, a little pepper, and a little smoked paprika. Stir this, give it a mix. Just like that. We're gonna sit this aside, bring over a little rack right here, and all we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our chicken pieces, dredge it in this flour, just like this. You just want a light coating, shake it off, add it here to that rack, just like that. Just that simple, guys. Just like that. I'm gonna do the rest of them and I'm gonna come right back. All right, so now we have all our chicken breaded. We're gonna move this aside and we're gonna head over to our cooktop, all right? All right, now we're gonna heat our butter and a tablespoon of our olive oil. And once that comes up to temperature, we're gonna start adding our chicken pieces. And we're gonna let that cook for maybe about 3 to 4 minutes per side until it's golden brown on each side. And you may have to cook these babies in batches also. All right, so we're about 4 minutes in. We're gonna turn these babies over like that. And we're gonna let these babies cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on this side. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and remove them, our pieces. We're gonna pause our heat real quick. And I'm just gonna add them to this bowl. Since we have to cook more chicken, we're gonna set it aside and we're gonna come back. All right, so this is our last batch of chicken. We're gonna pause our heat, add our chicken to the bowl. We're gonna set it aside. We're gonna add the remaining of our olive oil, which is a tablespoon, to our pan. Unpause our heat, add our garlic and our mushrooms. I'm gonna dash that with a little onion powder. We're gonna saute this until our mushrooms become brown. As you can see, guys, our mushroom is starting to change to the brownish color we're looking for. So now we're gonna go in with our wine slowly. Make sure you start scraping the bottom of the pan to get those bits at the bottom. That's flavor down there. Now we're gonna add our chicken back to the pan. Gonna sprinkle a little parsley in there. And we're gonna bring this to a boil. Then we're gonna reduce our heat for about 15 minutes and let it simmer. Now, when you put your chicken in there the first time, when you cooked your chicken, it shouldn't have got cooked all the way through. That's why you did about 4 minutes per side. So now we're gonna finish cooking our chicken. We're gonna turn our heat down. And guys, what you wanna do is you wanna cover this for 15 minutes and let it simmer. All right, so we're about 15 minutes in. We're gonna pull back or lift our top. Now we're gonna do this again by removing our chicken. Just like that. Now we're gonna unpause our heat, add our heavy whipping cream, and we're just gonna crank this up just a little bit to get that heavy whipping cream heated through. Gonna give this a good mix, like this. While you're mixing this, you're gonna add your cheese, and you wanna constantly mix this until that cheese has completely melted. Make sure you keep this on a medium-low heat and cook this until the sauce starts to thicken. And once the sauce starts to thicken, we're gonna add our chicken back into our pan. All right, so now we got our chicken back into our pot. Let's head over to our cutting board for the final presentation. And there you have it, creamy Asiago chicken. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below, guys. This is very easy. Let's jump into quality control because I'm ready to test it out. Y'all ready? All right, quality control time. Let's bring this creamy Asiago chicken to the front of the congregation. Yeah, guys, I got some elbow macaroni. I thought it'd probably be good to throw this over some pasta, but this is all I had. So it's gonna work. You can use any type of pasta you want. This looks like it's looking good right here. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Man, the sauce is awesome. And the elbow macaroni is tasting good. Oh man, that wine. Oh man, I love cooking with booze. You guys know that. Let's try this chicken out. Listen. Oh man. Guys, this baby. Listen. You gotta try this one. Put it on your list. So, to the end, y'all already know who I am, all wings, everything. And remember, not chef, just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.